Today you had a meeting in Carnival. So how are the preparations going on?
So the preparations are going well. We're making a lot of changes this year in terms of the placement of the stage, in terms of the deco, in terms of the bands. So everything is going to be a lot better this year. We have a bigger setup, we have a nicer setup. I think this is going to be our best carnival yet. I would encourage everyone to please show up for the carnival.
So any points that your councillors or your committee members have put before you?
As of now, no. Everything seems to be in order. So there were some issues the last time. For example, the footpaths. I think certain footpaths for block people could not access the buildings. So this year we have solutions to all of those also. So this year the barricade, when we do our barricading, we'll make sure that everyone has access to their buildings, to the restaurants, none of that will be blocked off. So that is one of the considerations we've taken. This location, the stage will be shifted also. So we've added more space because our carnival gets really crowded, especially on the first day and the last day. It's not really a fun experience because it's too packed. So this year we've made certain changes that will open up the space also. So we've created a lot more space, so people have a lot more space to enjoy themselves and everything also.
It's not only one day carnival, but you have that Samba Square and all.
Yeah,
so how many days it will be?
Yeah, so the carnival, the floats on the first. Samba Square starts on the first, will end on the fourth. So on the fourth will be the red and black dance. That will go until about 12 o'clock. And this year we want to be strict with the attire that people wear. So we want them to actually wear red and black to the thing, like how it used to be earlier. So that is something that we want to bring back also. In terms of everything else, so hoping it's a surprise to people when they actually.
So attire will be the main contributor.
Yeah, so we want it to be red and black. We want to stick to the theme of the thing because over the years it's been lost. So we want to bring that back also.
And this will be especially at the Samba Square?
Yeah, this is the red and black on the last day, especially in association with Club National.
Another thing is that we have seen that in the last so many months, the roads are not yet getting ready. To say.
So, Smart City has a deadline to keep. I think Sanjeev in his statement said the road should be ready by the 31st of March. And the footpaths, I think, by June or something. See, the faster they're out of a city, the better it is also. So, I know it's inconvenient for people right now. All of us have a lot of issues also. But I think they have a target to meet. The faster they meet their target, the easier it will be for the rest of us also. I think it's gone on for long enough. We should end finally on the 31st of March. And then I think the mission should close finally after that.
And another thing is that another term will end of yours now. And then nomination or the elections for mayor's post.
Yeah, so that will be in March, towards mid-March is the nomination. So we'll see what the council decides and everything.